ready for me to make a cocoa. This is Violet because it's almost freaking Christmas and it's freaking cold right now. So I got the cacao powder and a cup. Hopefully the cup balances. Open it like this. Hoping for the best.
Bago niya ang tayo. Nagawa mo?
I love it. Let's see if Mrs. Fire will like this hot cocoa. So Miss Fire, it's actually cool. You must try this recipe. Please, if you read the message that I sent earlier, please do not do